learners. Welcome to your English lessons, and this is Dishita ma'am. Today we will be learning grammar chapter number 23 vocabulary. So बच्चों, कल हमने vocabulary का half portion किया था. Today we will be going to do the another half portion of chapter number 23, in which we will be learning weathers. We will be learning about weathers, dictionary work, how to see the letters in dictionary. Also, we are going to learn about genders, masculine and feminine genders. Then we will be learning about homophones. So, are you all ready? Let's get going. In the very first one, exercise is weather. Everyone knows about weather. The climatic changes of the surrounding are known as weather. So, weather के बारे में आपने पढ़ा होगा एसएस और साइंस में, है ना? Yes. So, here we will be learning about weathers by describing the pictures. We feel hot on some days and cold on other days. Some days are rainy and some are windy. This is known as weather. Now write the correct weather word under each of the picture. As I told you, here we will be going to do the describing picture work. We are going to describe pictures of weather, and 2 have been done for us, and I had done one more for you all. So the very first one is cloudy, and the second one is sunny day. The third is rainy, and then windy. Very good. And then stormy. So this exercise number 9, question number 9, write the correct weather words under each picture is your homework, as we had discussed. So I hope it's easy for you all now. Now please come to dictionary word. Here in dictionary word, what we have to do, as you all know, the dictionary helps us to find meanings of word. Alright, और हम dictionary में words कैसे ढूंढते हैं? With the first letter of the alphabet, by seeing the first letter of the alphabet. So we find words in dictionary by looking at the order of their first letter in the alphabet. So, आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों को डिक्शनरी में वर्ड ढूंढना आता भी होगा. फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में आई टोल्ड यू हाउ टू सर्च वर्ड्स इन डिक्शनरी. आई हैड एक्सप्लेन यू, and today here we will be doing it for one more time in detail. We are going to learn about it. All right, now please turn the page. Come to page number 94. Look, little learners, in page number 94 there are some examples. Let us have a look to it. And the examples are like this. Sad will come before tired. But what happens when we have to look for zebra and zoo? We will look for the order of the second letter. So, zebra will come before zoo in a dictionary before E comes before, because E comes before O in the alphabet. As you can see here, question number 10 हम try करते हैं करने का, so that you will have a great idea how to do this exercise. Good idea how to do this exercise. So come on, let's try to do question number 10 first. Put the words in the order in which you will find them in the dictionary. See, SAIL, sail, gale and sand. ऑलराइट, अब हमारे पास 3 वर्ड्स है। सबसे पहले आपको देखना है ए वाला कोई वर्ड है, नहीं है। बी वाला कोई वर्ड है, नहीं है। सी वाला कोई वर्ड है, कोई भी ऐसा वर्ड जो सी लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है, नहीं है। फिर डी वाला भी नहीं है, ई भी नहीं है, एफ भी नहीं है, जी, तो जी वाला वर्ड है। तो अब सबसे पहला जो आ रहा है वो है हमारे पास जी वाला वर्ड। तो सीक्वेंस में जी सबसे पहले आ रहा है ना ABCD में, ABCDEFG, जी आ रहा है ना। वर्ड्स के कंपेयर करना है आपको, वर्ड्स के कंपैरिजन पे देखना है कि सबसे पहले कौन सा वर्ड आता है ABCD में, कौन सा लेटर वर्ड आता है ABCD में। तो जी वाला वर्ड आता है, सो जी लेटर पहले आता है, तो वी विल राइट जी वाला वर्ड हियर इन द फर्स्ट। राइट इट डाउन, GALE, gale. And then now there is a twist. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 वर्ड्स है एस के, एक तो है सेल एंड दूसरा है सेंड। ऑलराइट, कोई बात नहीं, चलो हम देखते हैं एस के बाद वाला लेटर कौन सा है। ए, यहाँ पे भी ए है, यहाँ पे भी ए है। ओके, तो हम थर्ड लेटर के तरफ जाएंगे। थर्ड लेटर में पहले आई है और यहाँ पे थर्ड लेटर में, सेंड में थर्ड लेटर में एन है। तो सबसे पहले आई आता है कि एन आता है ABCD में? चलो बोलो ABCD। ABCDEFGH आई के बाद एन आता है ना, तो वी विल राइट सेल फर्स्ट एंड देन सेंड। ऑलराइट, नाउ come to next question. KNIGHT. Now see the next one. KNIGHT, night, CLOSE, close, and KITE, kite. Which letter word comes first? C. Very good. So we will write close. And then again there are 2 words of K, KI and KN. So which word we will write first? I wala, KITE, kite, and then we will write night. KNIGHT, night. Here come to question number 3. Clever, smart, and courage. So here first letter word will be going to come is clever, and then courage, and then smart, because S comes after courage and clever. C के बाद S आता है ना, इसलिए हमने smart वाला word last में लिखा। Now come to the 4th one. Tired, tried, and terrible. तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे फर्स्ट लेटर की ओर। फर्स्ट लेटर सब में टी है, तो सेकेंड लेटर देखेंगे आई, आर एंड ई। तो अल्फाबेट में फर्स्ट लेटर कौन सा आता है बच्चों? ई। Therefore we had written terrible first, and then we will move to these 2 words, tired and tried. Here the word which is going to come first is tired, and then tried, because R comes after I now, that's why. Now come to the next, the last question of this exercise. Wake, worry, and welcome. So the very first one which is going to come is wake, and then welcome, and then worry. Now come to homophones. In homophones, see what is the meaning of homophones? So little learners, homophones are the words that sounds the same but their spellings and meaning are different. यानी ऐसे वर्ड्स जिसका साउंड तो सेम होता है मगर मीनिंग और स्पेलिंग, ये दोनों चीजें डिफरेंट होती है। जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल SUN सन और SON सन, दोनों का साउंड एक जैसा आ रहा है, सन सन, मगर एक सन जो होता है वो है सूर्य वाला सन, और दूसरा सन जो होता है SON सन, वो होता है बेटा। Alright, so there are the words which have the same sound but with different spellings and different meanings are known as homophones. See here in definition, they had also given us one definition. Let us read it out. Homophones are the word that sounds the same but have different spellings and meanings, like floor, floor and flower. They both sounds the same, but they have different meanings and different spellings. See, if you have noticed, they have different spellings as well. एक तो है आटा यानी FLOUR, flour, and again it is flour. Flour and flour, both sounds the same. Now hear, 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 hear का मतलब होता है सुनना, whereas here, 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 यानी click here, यहाँ पर. Okay, now come to the page number 95. In page number 95, write the correct words. Come on, let us try to do it. The very first one is, can you dash my mobile? I can't find it. तो क्या आएगा बच्चों? Can you see my mobile? I can't find it. कौन सा वाला C आएगा? And here is the answers. Can you see my mobile? I cannot find it. C, SEE means देखने वाला C. क्या तुमने मेरा मोबाइल देखा है? मुझे नहीं मिल रहा. Then we are going to C for our summer holidays. Here C means समुद्र वाला C. Okay. Then please come here. I need to speak to you. Please यहाँ आओ, मुझे आपसे बात करनी है. Now can you hear a noise? क्या तुमने कुछ सुना? Yes. Then here HERE वाला means यहाँ आना, और HEAR means सुनने वाला. Here now see, you need egg and flour to make a cake. Flour means आटा. A rose is a beautiful red flower. और इसका करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसा होता है? Flower. A rose is a beautiful red flower. So we will write FLOWER यानी फूल. और जैसे गुलाब का फूल होता है, सूर्यमुखी का फूल होता है, आपने हिंदी में पढ़ा होगा, है ना? वैसे ही यहाँ पे हमने रेड फ्लावर, रोज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. और ऊपर वाला फ्लावर मीन्स आटा. नाउ माई फ्रेंड जेनी डज नॉट ईट मीट, यानी खाने वाला मीट. आई वुड लाइक यू टू मीट माई फ्रेंड, यानी मैं आपको मेरी फ्रेंड से मिलवाना चाहती हूँ. आई वुड लाइक यू टू मीट माई फ्रेंड. ऑलराइट, सो ये होते हैं होमोफोन्स, जो हमने फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में भी पढ़े थे, एंड यहाँ पे भी एज वोकेबलरी पढ़ रहे हैं. ऑलराइट, नाउ come to genders. So little learners, there are 4 kind of genders. How many kind of genders are there? 4 kind of gender. The very first one is masculine. The second is feminine. Third is neuter. And fourth is common gender. So here we will be learning about masculine and feminine gender. So what are they? The gender of a noun indicates whether a person or animal we are referring to is male or female. Now noun that refer the male only. Noun that refer to male only are said to be of the masculine gender, where the noun that refers to female only are said to be feminine gender. For example, masculine gender boy as it refers to male, and feminine gender girl as it refers to female. See, most living beings are either male or female. They are known by what we call gender words. Even animals have male and female names. Yes. For example, a male cat is called a tomcat. Alright, some, not all. Female gender words are formed by adding ess to the male gender. For example, lion, the lioness, tiger, and the female of tiger is tigress. Now, we have different name for different male and female people and animals. There are certain rules which has to be followed while we are changing masculine gender to feminine gender. Let us see all that rules and revise all the rules one time so that it will help us to convey and to write feminine gender in more better way. Now, forming the feminine gender of nouns. The feminine gender of some nouns can be formed by adding ess or ss to the masculine gender nouns. As for example, masculine, prince, the princess. Here we add only ess and ss. Like lion, the lioness. फर्स्ट वाले में हमने खाली एस एस लगाया है बिकॉज ई इज ऑलरेडी देयर, एंड इन सेकेंड वन वी हैड रिटन डबल एस विथ ई. So the feminine gender of some nouns can be formed by adding ess or ss to the masculine gender noun, whereas sometimes the spelling of the masculine gender noun is changed before adding ess. कभी कभी जब हम मस्कुलिन जेंडर को फेमिनाइन जेंडर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो क्या होता है, स्पेलिंग ESS के पहले वाला जो पोर्शन होता है वो चेंज हो जाता है. बिफोर एडिंग ESS देयर आर सम चेंजेस. जैसे एक्ट्रेस में हमने क्या किया, ओ को ओमिट कर दिया. एक्टर, एक्ट्रेस. Emperor, empress. Just like that. In the second one, we had removed O and R, and the word becomes empress. Now, let's see more forming the feminine gender noun rules. So, the another rules are, the feminine gender of some nouns is formed by changing the masculine gender noun entirely. कुछ में कुछ फेमिनाइन जेंडर्स जब हम चेंज करते हैं, यानी मस्कुलिन जेंडर को जब हम फेमिनाइन जेंडर में चेंज करते हैं तो उनकी पूरी स्पेलिंग चेंज हो जाती है. जैसे हस्बैंड तो वाइफ, बॉय तो गर्ल, रूस्टर तो हैन. In the case of compound nouns, the feminine gender is formed by retaining one part of the masculine gender and replacing the other part. यानी जब compound nouns जैसे milk, man, pig, peacock, है ना। वैसे वर्ड्स में क्या होता है, फर्स्ट पार्ट यानी फर्स्ट पार्ट रिमेन द सेम एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट गेट चेंज्ड और रिप्लेस्ड बाय द अदर पार्ट, जैसे मिल्क मैन। और यहाँ पे क्या आया, मिल्क मेड, फीमेल मिल्क मेड, फीमेल के लिए फेमिनाइन जेंडर क्या है, मिल्क मेड का फेमिनाइन जेंडर क्या है, मिल्क मेड, MAID मेड। मिल्क वुमेन नहीं बोलते हम, मिल्क मेड बोलते हैं। देन पीकॉक, पीकॉक का पीहेन। Alright, now let's read textbook. Now let's read textual masculine and feminine list of the words. See here, boy to girl, he, she, son, daughter. The next one is, see, there is a big list like bridegroom to bride, brother, sister, dad, mom, father, mother, god, goddesses, grandfather, grandmother, husband, wife, hero, heroine, wolf, she wolf, tomcat, cat, pig, saw, hen, cook, deer, doe, drake, duck, tiger, tigress, lion, lioness, fox, vixen, ox, oxen, gander, goose, then stallion, mare, male horse, mare, then leopard, leopardess, leopardess, peafowl, peahen, bull, cow, uncle, aunt, prince, princess, emperor, empress, wizard, witch, nephew, niece, monk, nun, led, less. Now remember, there are some words for which we do not use a gender noun. They are called nouns with neuter genders. Some of them are person, child, parent, chicken, cousin, friends, and doctor. Alright, now come to tick the correct wala option. Tick the correct wala exercise. Tick the correct, follow the examples. Neuter gender means common. So let's see here, lion. The lion will come in masculine. And then knees, knees will come in feminine. Then vixen, vixen will also come in feminine. Drake will also come in feminine. Bridegroom will come in masculine. Then oxen, oxen will come in feminine. And doe, doe will also come in feminine. Cousin, it will come in neuter. Cousin मेल भी हो सकता है, फीमेल भी हो सकता है, तो कॉमन जेंडर, that is neuter gender. Then god, तो god masculine, goddesses feminine. Then bull, तो masculine. So I hope that you all enjoyed today's session and you all understood whatever I taught you today. Then if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me regarding any of the topic. So today we had completed genders, in which we had learned about masculine and feminine gender, and also we have an idea of neuter gender. We had seen masculine, feminine and neuter gender. And we had learned about homophones, the words that sounds the same but have different meaning as well as different spellings. Then we had seen dictionary work and weathers and about weathers. So that's all for today. See you all soon. Thank you.